Hi everyone, I'm Brennan and I'm going to show you the 10 most important things about using Final Cut. Alright, now first off, you're going to want to import your footage going to File, Log and Capture, and it'll initialize Log and Capture, and on your camera you're going to want to press play and then press Capture Now, and it'll capture the footage that you want it to, and you let it capture all the footage you need. Let's go for a little bit longer here. Alright, now when you're done with that, you just press escape, and there you go. Your footage will appear right here under Untitled number 3. And once you have your footage here, you drag it down into this box right here, and you can do whatever you like with it. You can the second thing you want to do using Final Cut, I think is very important, is just selecting your clip and being able to move it around and just move it to where you want to put it, spread it out if you need to put another clip in here, or change the location of it. The third thing you want to do is stretch your clips using this little thing down here. If you pull it this way, it makes it wider. Pull it this way, it makes it shorter, depending on where you want to cut your clip. Say I need to make a cut, right after Sunny here, just done winking. You just put a little cut right there. But I want to make it really close, so I'm gonna make it right now. So I'm making the cut right here, just like that, and look a lot faster, a lot shorter distance. Probably the fourth most important thing you want to do is using the cut button itself. It's really important because you can move the clips around. So I'm gonna move this over here. And usually you cut whatever you want, and move it to wherever you want to put it. You put this on top of each other, all sorts of stuff like that. The fifth most important thing about using Final Cut is using the A key to deselect. So say I've used the B button to cut, I want to press the A key to come off the cut so I can just select my clip again. The sixth most important thing you want to know about Final Cut is changing the speed of your clips. So say I want to do this clip right here, and I want to make Nick go faster. So I'll right click on it, I'll go to speed, and then see it's at 100% here, but I want to make it 50%. I want to go slow-mo. So I press OK. So now it's made it 50% slower. I'll get up in slow motion. You can also make this clip faster by clicking 100%, or so let's go 150. So now it's a really fast clip, and now you just go here, you play it, and there you go. Now the clip's twice as fast if you just speed up or slow down. Probably the seventh most important thing is changing the volume, like I just did here. You can select the volume using this little mountain looking button here, and you can raise it or lower it depending how you want it. So I want my volume to be really loud, I put it upwards. I want it to be really quiet, put it downward. And 0 is just for original sound of the clip. Probably the eighth most important thing is fading in and out. Like I click the P key, and then go to my clip after I press this little mountain looking thing, and I click where I want it to fade. So I want to fade in. So I'll make it dark, or it's really, I put a point here, I put a point here, and I'll drag the first one down here. Watch when I play it. It'll fade in real quick. And probably the ninth most important thing is using your special effects to fade in and out. You can fade in and fade out, or you can use these little effects My personal favorite is the cross dissolve. So I want to put it right here between these two clips. You got to put it on both of them. And there we go. It'll make a different transition rather than just going from dark to light. So it makes the clips kind of cross over each other. Yeah, let's use a different clip. This is not a very good example. Let's go right here. So I want this clip right here. I'll put these two together. Go grab my cross dissolve. Put it right in the middle of the two. Fade like that. And probably the last and one of the most important things when making a film is making a title screen. You just want to click on this blank space right here, and then go to this little A button looking text thing. Click text, and then so you'll see sample text right here, and whatever you want to write, you go to controls. So sample text, and then you just write whatever you want to write. So say I want to write hi everyone. Just type it in right here, and it'll show up on the video right here. See right here, hi everyone. And then you're going to drag it down into your box here. Just put it wherever you want, and there you go. Show up on your video. And those are the 10 most basic and important things to using Final Cut.